If you're looking for the best Black Friday cookware deals in 2024, then this video is for you. I've handpicked the 15 best cookware Black Friday deals so that you can save money while equipping your kitchen. Links to each of the limited time Black Friday cookware deals are in the description box. This Black Friday, you can snag the Hexclad 12-piece hybrid cookware set for just $599.99, down from its original price of $999. That's a whopping 40% off. You'll love how these pans combine the best of both worlds. The stainless steel hexagon design gives you amazing searing power, while the non-stick valleys make cleanup a breeze. The set includes everything you need for your daily cooking adventures, from fry pans to saucepans and a stock pot. The tri-ply construction ensures even heating, so your food cooks perfectly every time. Plus, these bad boys can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them oven safe for finishing off those delicious dishes. You can own the popular Xtrema Signature Series set for $442.39 this Black Friday, down from $552.99 for a limited time. That's a sweet 20% discount on this premium non-toxic cookware collection. This 9-piece set is a game changer for your kitchen. You'll get a 9-inch skillet, 3 saucepans with lids, and 2 organic cotton pot holders. The best part? It's all made from 100% pure ceramic. No need to worry about nasty chemicals leaching into your food. These pots and pans are free from PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. They're even California Prop 65 compliant. Snag an amazing Black Friday deal on the Heritage Steel 10-piece cookware set. Originally priced at $800, you can now get it for just $649.95. That's a whopping $150 off this premium cookware brand. This set is a real gem for home cooks. It's made right here in the USA, which is pretty cool. The pots and pans are built to last with a 5-ply construction. That means they heat up evenly and are super durable. You'll love cooking with these because they're non-toxic and don't have any weird chemical coatings. Just good old stainless steel that's safe for all your meals. Plus, they work on any stovetop, including induction. As part of the Black Friday deals on cookware, you can get the Finex cast iron cookware complete set for $2,600 this Black Friday, down from its original $3,250 price tag. That's a huge $650 saving on this ultra premium cookware collection. This set is a kitchen powerhouse. You'll get a variety of skillets, a grill pan, and a Dutch oven, all crafted from durable cast iron. The octagonal shape isn't just for looks, it allows for easy pouring and spatula access. Finex's signature polished cooking surface is a dream to work with. It's naturally non-stick and seasons beautifully over time. This Black Friday, you can pick up the CAROTE 25-piece cookware set for just $99.99, down from its original price of $199.99 for a limited time. That's a 50% discount. You'll love how this set transforms your kitchen storage. The clever detachable handle design lets you stack pots and pans neatly, saving up to 70% more space in your cabinets. No more cluttered cookware chaos. During the Black Friday cookware sales, you can get the T-fal Ultimate 17-piece set for just $149.99, down from its original price of $199.99. That's a sizable 25% discount, saving you $50 on this fantastic cookware collection. The T-fal Ultimate set is a game changer in your kitchen. With its hard anodized exterior, you'll find these pots and pans can take a beating while still looking great. The titanium reinforced nonstick coating means you can cook with less oil and enjoy easier cleanup. One of the coolest features is the thermo spot technology. No more guessing when your pan is ready. Just wait for the spot to turn solid red and you're good to go. During the Black Friday cookware sale, you can pick up the Ninja NeverStick Premium 16-piece set for just $299.99 instead of the usual $529.99. That's a whopping 43% discount, saving you over $200 on this top-notch cookware collection. The Ninja NeverStick Premium set is a game changer in your kitchen. Its unique plasma ceramic coating, fused at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creates a super hard surface that won't stick, chip, or flake. You can cook with confidence, knowing your food will release easily and your pans will stay in great shape. These pots and pans are built to last. The hard anodized exterior resists scratches, while the heavy gauge aluminum base ensures even heat distribution. For Black Friday, Nuwave is offering a fantastic deal on their 12-piece Duralon blue ceramic cookware set. Originally priced at $199.99, you can now snag this set for just $139.99. That's a whopping 30% off. You'll appreciate the premium forged construction of these pots and pans. They're built to last while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The eco-friendly Duralon blue coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA, so you can cook with peace of mind. Black Friday brings a sizzling deal on the Calphalon Classic stainless steel 10-piece cookware set. Originally priced at $239.99, it's now available for just $149, saving you 38% off the list price for a limited time. You'll love the sleek, modern look of these pots and pans. The impact-bonded aluminum base ensures your food cooks evenly, so you can say goodbye to hot spots and undercooked meals. Plus, the measuring marks, pour spouts, and straining covers are nifty features that'll make your time in the kitchen a breeze. For Black Friday, Kitchen Academy is offering a fantastic deal on their 12-piece cookware set. Originally priced at $139.99, you can now grab it for just $89.99, saving you a whopping 36%. The granite-style nonstick coating is a standout feature of this set. You'll find yourself using less oil in your cooking, which is great for healthier meals. Plus, the coating makes cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing stubborn food residue. During the limited-time Black Friday cookware deals, you can own the SENSARTE 13-piece ceramic cookware set for just $65.95, down from its original price of $99.95. That's a whopping 34% discount, saving you $80 on this comprehensive kitchen set. The set includes everything you need to whip up delicious meals. You'll get a fry pan, saute pan, saucepan, and casserole, all with matching lids. The included silicone utensils and pot protectors are nice bonuses that'll help you take care of your new cookware. Save big this Black Friday and get the Gotham steel hammered 15-piece set for $142.45, down from its original price of $339.95, saving you 58% on a comprehensive cookware collection for a limited time. The set's compatibility with various stovetops, including Induction, adds to its versatility. You can even pop these pots and pans in the oven up to 500 degrees. The Stay Cool handles are a nice touch, though some users mention they can still heat up during extended cooking sessions. During the Cookware Black Friday deal sale, you can get the GreenPan Swift 17-piece cookware set for just $174.99, down from its original price of $249.99. That's a whopping 30% discount, saving you $75 on this fantastic kitchen essential. The GreenPan Swift set comes with everything you need to equip your kitchen. From saucepans to stock pots, frying pans to a griddle, you'll have the right tool for every cooking task. The diamond-infused ceramic coating ensures durability and even heating, making your cooking experience a breeze. If you're looking for the best Black Friday cookware deals, listen up. This Black Friday, you can snag the All-Clad HA1 nonstick cookware set for just $269.99 for a limited time, down from its original price of $373.73. That's a whopping 28% off. The All-Clad HA1 set is a kitchen powerhouse. You'll appreciate the hard anodized aluminum construction that ensures quick and even heating. No more hot spots ruining your culinary creations. Triple layer nonstick coating is a game changer. Your eggs will slide right off the pan and cleanup is a breeze. This Black Friday, you can buy this versatile cookware set for just $99.99, down from its original price of $249.95. A sweet 60% discount that'll save you nearly $150. And you'll love cooking with this Granite Stone Armor Mag set. It's got everything you need to whip up delicious meals. The 14-piece collection includes pots, pans, and even some handy kitchen utensils.